Very much.
Well, unfortunately, Sophie, for this longest day, it means unusually blustery conditions, and we have unseasonably wet and windy weather across parts of Northern Ireland, western and central Scotland. In fact, we've got coastal gales and gusts up to 60 miles an hour, particularly through the central lowlands. And of course, it is going to give us hazardous travelling conditions, particularly when it's accompanied by heavy rain, which we'll see coming in across the north coast of Northern Ireland by mid-afternoon. Still very wet and windy over the western part of Scotland. Could see up to 2 inches of rain over the higher ground by the end of the day, and that could give localised flooding. A little bit dry and brighter, you notice, though, for the early afternoon, and less windy across eastern Scotland. A few showers, though, for northwest England and northern Wales, but otherwise it's fresh and bright, but very blustery for England and Wales, and hat pins are definitely advised for the ladies at Royal Ascot. We'll see some cloud rolling in across southwest England and much of Wales, but essentially it will be dry here, although it will feel chilly in that wind. Temperatures at best around 20 or 21 degrees, and that's certainly the weather we're going to see at Royal Ascot. Prince of Wales Stakes taking place at 3:50, but it is going to feel blustery and quite chilly in that wind. So through this evening, we keep the wet and windy weather across the far northwest, just coming into northern England and North Wales. It'll gradually ease off, but we will see drier, clearer weather further to the south. So quite a comfortable start to the day across southwestern parts of England. The wind not quite so blustery as today, but there will be some fresh brightness around, a little bit of sunshine coming through. Not more cloud though for Wales, just 1 or 2 showers, and we'll still see a scattering of showers in the decreasing westerly wind across Northern Ireland. You can see the rain has lost a lot of its intensity by Thursday morning across much of Scotland, and the winds are continuing to decrease too. Lots of cloud though coming further south across Northern England, cloudier than today, and a little bit more rain, and we'll lose the gustiness of that wind. Really, the best of the dry and fresh, bright weather through tomorrow morning is going to be across the Midlands and the southeast. And that's how it's going to stay through much of Thursday. Much of southern England and South Wales, fresh and bright, some sunshine coming through. Just 1 or 2 showers dotted across northern Wales into northern England, and still a few for Scotland and Northern Ireland. But the wind's continuing to ease all the time across the north. But still cool here, 16 or 17 degrees, and still going up to the low 20s in the far southeast. For all of us on Friday, the winds have dropped out quite a lot. Feeling quite warm in the sunshine across England and Wales. Still a lot of cloud across Scotland and Northern Ireland with a little bit of rain. So it's a little bit autumnal. So